Hello everyone, here is a new video of Opencart HelpDesk. In this video, I will show you how you can set up and fully equipped HelpDesk for your Opencart store. So, in today's world, or you can say today's emerging world, the e-commerce business is breaking all the records of sales and purchase. So the major part of e-commerce is achieving the customer satisfaction. In today's culture, customers are facing various issues regarding products and services. Many big companies set up their call centers and fully equipped help desk departments to resolve the issues of the customers. So, you can also set up a fully equipped help desk for your Opencart store. So, many of you will be thinking that it will be very complex to set up a help desk for your Opencart, or it will need a huge workforce. But the answer is no, a big no. You can easily set up and start an help desk for your Opencart store. So I will tell you how you can set up a help desk for your Opencart store. So you have to just install this Opencart help desk to your Opencart. Now you have to log in. So you have to log into your admin panel. Here, this is our admin panel. You can see your Opencart dashboard. You have to go to extensions, and in extensions you have to open the modules. Here you can find the list of modules, and now you have to find the help desk module. Here is the help desk module. You have to click on edit to configure it. So you will find edit help desk module page. It contains 4 tabs. First is general, second activity, third is support center, fourth is ticket. So here we will configure the general tab. So at first you have to enable or disable your help desk. So we will enable our help desk. Now here you have to, this is date format. Here you have to fill the date as per the PHP format. So now we will move to activity tab. Here, this is the activity tab. If you configure the activity tab, it will affect your dashboard. So you can set the limit of activity at your dashboard. You can write or enter 10 or 8 according to your need. Now, the next field is generate activity. Here you can generate activity from these selected ones, or if you don't want to generate activity, then uncheck them. So the activity will be generated on the behalf of them, or any action done by them. So the next field is select activity priority. So you can select activity priority on for these 3 actions. So on delete you can set activity priority low, medium or high. So I'll select medium. On add you can select low, medium or high. I'll select high. On edit you can select any one of them. So now we'll move to support center. In this tab you can see 3 fields. First is show header. So in support center tab, first field is show header. To show the support center header in different pages, you can select pages from here. So we will select support center page, generate ticket page. We will select all the pages because we want our support center to be displayed in every page. Now the second field is information limit. This is what you can show or display informations in your support center. So you can enter any limit, you can increase it or you can decrease it. The set number of limit, the information will be shown only to these numbers. Like if you have entered 10, then only 10 information will be displayed in the support center. Now the third field is category information order. So you can set the information order new to old or old to new. In new to old, the newer information will be shown at first and the older will be shown at last. Or in old to new, the newer information will be shown at last and older will be shown at first. So we will select new to old. Now we will move to ticket tab. Here you can see 4 tabs under the ticket tab. The first tab is ticket status, then second is default, third is admin ticket view, and fourth is ticket generate view settings. In ticket status tab, you can set status for these kind of tickets. So we have set ticket open status as open, or you can set it as new. Or for ticket new, you can set open, new, or you can add any other ticket status for these tickets. So here you can set any kind of ticket status for your tickets. So now we will move to default. In default, you have to set the default status of the ticket, default ticket type of the ticket, default group for the ticket, or default priority for the ticket. These will be used if customer will left these fields blank, then automatically these default values will be entered in the ticket. So now we will move to ticket view, admin ticket view. Here the first field is ticket thread limit. Admin can set ticket thread limit. Ticket threads are replies done by the agents and the customers, so he can set the ticket limits or ticket thread limits to any number. Admin can set 10 or 5 or any number, whichever you want. So these tickets threads will be shown. So the next field is draft saving time. In this, admin can set draft saving time so that when any agent or admin is typing a reply to the customer, then the reply will be saved as a draft after this interval of time. So now the next field is log view time. In log view time, admin can set log view time, and after these milliseconds the ticket data will be reloaded automatically. The next field is log expire time. Here admin can set time for log expire. If any agent have acquired the lock of any ticket, then the lock will expire after 30 minutes. You can set it as per your need. The time format is hour, minutes and seconds. So you can set it as per your need. So the last field of admin ticket view tab is note for action. Here you can set is yes or no. In this, the note will be added if actions are applied to the ticket based on any conditions or events and triggers. For example, you can view, this is our ticket system. Now I will open a ticket. Now here you can see this is our customer's message or ticket. Here a note is added that successfully applied ticket rule. So these notes will be shown or added to the ticket or not. So you can configure it from here. So now we will move to ticket generate and view settings. So under this tab, the first field is required login for ticket. So here you can select yes or no for the customers to generate a ticket logging in or without login. So I have chosen no. Now we'll go to generate ticket. Here is our front end. Now you can your customers can generate ticket. So I have selected no, so my customer can easily generate ticket without logging in. So here they can write their name, email address, subject. So now the next field is ticket fields. What fields will be displayed at the time of generation of the ticket? So here we have selected subject, ticket type, group, they can assign group, ticket priority, message, and upload files. The customers can upload files. So we have left blank the ticket status and agent. We will assign the ticket status and agent by ourselves. So we can go to our here the generate ticket panel. So here you can see subject, ticket type, group, ticket priority, and here your customer can write their message, and from here they can upload their files. So you can configure from your admin panel. You can also, the next field is required ticket fields. You can also select some fields mandatory, like subject, ticket type, and ticket priority. We have selected these fields mandatory. These fields must have to be filled by the customers. Here subject, ticket type, and ticket priority are the mandatory fields. Name and email address are also mandatory to be filled by the customers. So you can easily configure it from your admin panel. So now the next field is number of files allowed to the customer. So here you can allow any number of files, 2, 3, or you can set any number according to your need, so that customers can upload these number of files in a ticket. So the next field is allowed file size. You can select or set an allowed file size so that above this file size they can't, or your customer can't add files to the ticket. Allowed files extensions. The next field is allowed file extensions. So we have entered some specified file extensions so that only these file extension will be added in our ticket. So you can add or delete some file extensions for your customers. Allow editor. You can allow or you can restrict the editor to be used by the customers. The next field is customer can delete ticket. If you allow your customers to delete the ticket, they can easily delete ticket from their ticket view. So I'll show you how they can delete ticket. So here is my demo customer. I'll go to a ticket and I'll show you how they can delete ticket. Here is the option they can close ticket. Then the next field is customer can delete ticket thread. Customer can also delete ticket threads like oh, this ticket don't have any threads, so we will open another ticket, and now here I will show you how a customer can delete ticket thread. Yeah, this is a ticket thread. Customer can delete ticket thread from here. The ticket thread is being deleted. Now we will go to our admin panel. So here you have seen how customer can delete ticket thread. Now customer can update status. Customer can easily update status from here. Customer can update. Now we will again go to our admin panel. So the last field is customer can add CC. So here you can see in reply customer can add CC to any email address for the ticket. So that was the last field of the configuration part. You have to now save the configuration from this button, and that's all for this video. You can find the working of HelpDesk in our next video. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected.